So with the launch of iOS 16, the key feature was the ability to customize your lock screen. So here's how you can personalize your lock screen in iOS 16. Now first, when you boot your iPhone, you're just going to be on the normal lock screen. So just press and hold on the lock screen and you'll get an option to customize or the plus button there to add a new page. So if you have an Apple Watch, this might be quite familiar territory because they all look the same. So first we have the weather and the astronomy. This is really amazing because you get the full view of the Earth and you also get the view of the moon and a different moon and a solar system. And this one of the Earth which expands when you unlock, that looks really great. So all of this looks really amazing, but especially this one because it blends it with the time and the Earth, as you can see right here. Now the other one is the emoji one, which somehow looks really cool because you can customize it and add your own widgets and your own sizes and you can just shift between them. So this is up to 6 and a different ones here, as you can see, and there are a few options you can choose from. But my personal favorite one is the color because it comes in a different bunch of gradients and the color looks so good. So you can just simply change the color and you can just change the hue from here and change the color, the saturation, the darkness, the brightness, and a lot more. Because you can basically just pinpoint the exact color you want, you can just swipe between them and you'll get different gradient effects. And all of this looks very amazing. Okay, so I'm just going to select this one. Okay, so I'll just start adding some widgets or complications. So let's click on this plus button right here and we get different ones. Now at the moment, there are only a few of them, basically the stock applications, but in the future they'll be supported by third party as well. Now I have the weather here. I'm just going to select, you can select a lot of options over here. You can just select the UV index, the weather, the temperature, and you can just shuffle through them. And if you want to add them, you can just tap on it, or you can just drag and drop them. And then again, as I said, there are a few of them, but they're really nice. They're kind of embedded in the lock screen. You can also put your battery, basically your Apple Watch batteries or your Apple Watch battery, which makes it more convenient. You can just simply glance over and look at your lock screen to have a look at them. But the best part is the fonts, because you have 6 different fonts to choose from. And I won't be surprised if Apple brings them fonts more in the near developer versions or something, or if they basically extend it to third party as well. And you can also change the colors on these things. So this is really amazing. You can even choose your particular color. And again, all of this looks really nice and gives you way more control and customizability. So this is a big step from all those previous iOS versions. You can even change the top bar just by tapping on here, and here there are a few options. You can just basically add your alarm or something, or the stocks, and again they are pretty limited for now, but later they'll be extended. But we might also see some support from some new developers in this few weeks, developing some widgets for their apps to add them to the lock screen. So that might be really cool in the coming near future, because there's a ton of new configuration then, and you can just customize them to exact like your taste of your lock screen. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe. And if you gain some information, do drop a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.